In the Earth, the top 10 weird phenomena. Top 1. Bioluminescent red tide. When conditions are just right, ocean phytoplankton reproduce like bunnies, creating a thick visible layer near the surface. These algae blooms might look disgusting during the day, but in parts of California and other places where the bioluminescent variety of Noctiluca scintillans bloom, red tide nights look out of this world. Top 2. Foxfire. During the late summer, a faint eerie glow can be seen in forests around the world where bioluminescent mushrooms grow on moist rotting bark. The greatest diversity of foxfire occurs in the tropics, where moist forests encourage fungal growth. The newest varieties of glow-in-the-dark mushrooms were introduced to the world just last year after being collected from Ribeira Valley Tourist State Park near São Paulo, Brazil. Top 3. Fire rainbow. Another summertime occurrence. Fire rainbows appear when sunlight hits frozen ice crystals in high-altitude cirrus clouds. Because the fire rainbow actually involves no rain at all, scientists would rather we refer to this occurrence by its much less fun but much more accurate title, the circumhorizontal arc. Since the arc requires both the presence of cirrus clouds and for the sun to be extremely high in the sky. Top 4. Nacreous clouds. For those of you a bit farther away from the equator, there's still plenty to see in the sky. Nacreous clouds, also called mother-of-pearl clouds, are extremely rare but unmistakable in the dark hours before dawn or after sunset. Because of their extremely high altitudes, they reflect sunlight from below the horizon, shining it down brightly in stark comparison to the regular or dark clouds in the troposphere. Top 5. Snow rollers. Snow rollers are formed when a thick layer of snow falls on top of a layer of ice. If the temperature and wind speed are right, chunks of snow can break loose and start rolling. As they're blown along the ground like wintry tumbleweeds, they pick up additional snow along the way. The inner layers are often weaker and less compact, allowing them to be blown easily away by the wind, leaving a large naturally formed snow donut. Top 6. Columnar basalt. A natural volcanic formation, columnar basalt has a seemingly man-made appearance. The mostly hexagonal columns form naturally as thick lava rapidly cools, contracting and creating cracks in the surface of the new rock. These unusual geological formations can be seen across the globe. Two of the most notable examples include the Giant's Causeway in Ireland and Devils in California. Top 7. Raining animals. This phenomenon has been reported in locations worldwide for centuries, with most cases involving fish, frogs or other small aquatic animals. Despite being extremely rare and lacking incredible eyewitness accounts, most incidents are explainable. Waterspouts. Think tornadoes made of water are the go-to culprit, as their high winds are capable of lifting small animals out of the water, carrying them far distances before dropping them unceremoniously on your head. Top 8. Asperatus clouds. Asperatus clouds are so rare they managed to escape classification until 2009. Ominous and stormy as they appear, these clouds often break up rather quickly without producing a storm. As with most other undulating cloud types, these clouds are formed when turbulent winds or colliding air masses whip up the bottoms of the cloud layer into fancy shapes and formations. Top 9. Green flash. The famed and elusive green flash is a rare meteorological phenomenon that occurs at sunset and sunrise. During these times, the sun's light travels through more of the Earth's atmosphere to reach your eye, creating a prism effect. Yeah, the explanation is definitely more dull than many of the maritime legends surrounding the phenomenon. Top 10. Sundogs. When the sun is near the horizon and ice crystals are present in the air, look up to see a pair of bright spots sitting on either side of the sun. Always to the right and the left along the horizon line, these dogs loyally follow the sun across the sky. In colder regions. In the Earth, the top 10 weird phenomena. Top 1.